We happen to be here today. As you see, this area is informal. Obviously, the first issue will be housing. The second issue will be sanitation. The third issue will be water. And those are the issues that are normal in any informal settlement.
Our priority for now is a human settlement. We must look at the issue of settling our people. Get rid of the bucket system in the informal settlement. Make sure that you provide sufficient sanitation for the people while they are still waiting for formal houses.
It's never governed, but it governed in a coalition. This has never won the Western Cape outright. And we say it's one province that needs to be liberated. It is still striving to be liberated. All the others have tasted liberation. If they're not happy, they're rightfully unhappy because they've tasted liberation. If it doesn't give them the results, they have a right to complain. But here, this province has never been liberated.
People must be encouraged to form up cooperatives, and then they must do business with the city of Cape Town. We must be able to train them. Once we train them, we assess their skills, and once we assess their skills, they will participate in the economy of the city. Gone are the days where big tenders will be given to big companies, whilst our people are in the periphery of the city's activities.
So this area requires that. And as we campaign here, we are telling the people that they must vote ANC so that we can take over the municipality. It is now ruled by the DA.